It is the time, it is the seasons, you can shine for a reason. The time is now to charge your business with the queen of content.
CEO of the Mack Institute, and I am here to share with you today 3 things to do before planning your workshop. So I have my trusty dusty iPad here with all of my notes so that we can dive in. But before we dive into this content, make sure if you have not done so that you head over to themackinstitute.com so you can get additional tools and tips to assist you in building your business fast. So today, the reason why I wanted to talk about planning a workshop and specifically the things that you should do prior to planning is because we are really in the season of increase. And with growth and expansion, really, especially if you are in a service-based business, or maybe you're a digital marketer or you're a coach or a consultant, you may want to start to think about creating or planning your own workshop. And so what does that look like as you're planning a workshop in your business? I'm going to share with you 3 things to do before you start planning your workshop to ensure that you're setting yourself up for success. So if this is something that you absolutely want to make sure that you take part in, then definitely continue to watch. So the first thing that you need to understand before actually launching or planning a workshop is you need to understand really who is your ideal client. Who do you want to actually attend your workshop? And the reason why I say that is because especially if you have an income goal kind of attached at the end of your workshop, you want to make sure that the right individuals are in the room so that you're not just talking to individuals that are just showing up because it's an event, etc., but they're not really buying into why you actually came to the event. One of the things that I do when I have any conference is I always make sure that I'm focused on the content that I'm going to be sharing in the workshop or the conference, because that's going to determine who actually needs that information. So you have to really ask yourself, what is the problem that I'm solving for the attendees coming to my workshop so that you will know who you want to attract, okay? The second thing that is so important as you're beginning to plan your workshop is your budget. Listen, I have been there, done that, got the t-shirt. Have you ever done a workshop where you spent more than you actually got back, right? And let me just preface this by saying it's not all about profit. Sometimes it could be brand exposure and things of that nature. But for the purpose of this training, I'm specifically focusing on actually planning, yes? So one of the things that I want you to think about as you are creating and as you are building your business and your brand, I want you to think about what is the amount that you want to profit in the workshop that you are actually creating, right? And if you do not have a dollar sign attached to that number, that's absolutely fine. But I want you to know your numbers, know what you're spending, know what how many tickets you sold, know how many more you have to sell, etc., to actually meet your numbers, right? Profitability is our third, and that is key because I'll tell you, especially if you have income goals, you definitely want to make sure that you have a budget spreadsheet and that you also have a structure to manage your funds that are coming in from your conference or from your workshop. All right, so I share a lot of this information with you guys on my website, which is themackinstitute.com, and we will also be sharing additional information surrounding launching a conference or a workshop and really creating an event and setting it up for success off jump, right? And so if you're interested in learning more, if you're in the Atlanta area in June, I invite you to join me June 22nd through the 23rd in Atlanta for my 4th annual, I cannot believe it's been 4 years, my 4th annual Business Recharge Conference. All right, so you can go to businessrecharge.biz and grab your seat to register, and I will talk to you guys on my next video. But before you go ahead, give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you actually like and subscribe if you like this content so that I can keep it coming. Again, I'm Philisha Mack, CEO of the Mack Institute, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. I'll talk to you.
It is the time, it is the seasons, you can shine for a reason.